Don't gain the world and lose your soul, wisdom is better than silver or gold. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery, none but ourselves can free our minds. The truth is, everyone is going to hurt you. You just got to find the ones worth suffering for. Love the life you live. Live the life you love. You never know how strong you are until being strong is your only choice. The greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. The good times of today are the sad thoughts of tomorrow. Open your eyes, look within. Are you satisfied with the life you're living? In this great future, you can't forget your past. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. You can't run away from yourself. Life is one big road with lots of signs. So, when you're riding through the ruts, don't complicate your mind. The biggest coward is a man who awakens a woman's love with no intention of loving her. The day you stop racing is the day you win the race. My music fights against the system that teaches to live and die. If you get down and quarrel every day, you're saying prayers to the devil, I say. The power of philosophy floats through my head, light like a feather, heavy as lead. If she's amazing, she won't be easy. If she's easy, she won't be amazing. When one door is closed, don't you know, another is open. Just because you are happy, it does not mean that the day is perfect, but that you have looked beyond its imperfections. Life is too short to be wasted in finding answers. Enjoy the questions. Beginnings are usually scary, and endings are usually sad, but it's everything in between that makes it all worth living. You say you love rain, but you use an umbrella to walk under it. You say you love the sun, but you seek shelter when it's shining. None but ourselves can free our minds.